excited, and then my excitement went away. And I'm gonna tell you why. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of the video, I'm gonna be unboxing a mystery box from Juvias Cosmetics. So I actually got the package today, which I was really happy because I wanted to film it obviously before Valentine's Day, because technically it's like a Valentine's Day mystery box. So in the mystery box is $15 and you get 4 mystery items. You're gonna find out why I go like this when I say mystery box. But you get 4 full-size items in the mystery box and it's only $15, which it is a good deal because one item from Juvia's Place is gonna be $15, right? Alright guys, so this is the mystery box right here, and as you can tell in the picture that's on the screen, you see there's a heart, correct? Like a nice little heart box. That is how I initially thought I was gonna get the package, right? Wrong. This is what they sent me. Off rip, I'm actually really kind of bummed out and a little bit upset the fact that they advertise, as you can see in the picture, they advertise like a heart box. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I was expecting to get, 3 little nice heart box. So the fact that I got this, I was just like, that's okay. I'm like, whatever. I went and opened it and I'm really upset at Juvia's Place right now. And the reason why is because when I opened this, and I'm gonna show you right now, I ordered 3 boxes, right? So like I said, I was expecting 3 boxes. I didn't get the 3 boxes. So then I opened this baby, right? And when I tell you, I get 3 palettes, 3 brushes, 3 lip liners, and 3 liquid lipsticks, right? The gag is they gave me the same items. So I got the same palette. This is the palette that I got. This is the Queen's palette. And then we have 3 of the same highlighter brush. So this is what the brush looks like. It's really cute, I'm not gonna lie. I love the purple handle and it's so soft. I'm not gonna lie, it is literally one of the softest highlighter brush I've ever felt, which is really good, of course. And I have 3 of these liquid lipsticks right here. This is a red liquid lipstick in the shade Nefertiti, and it is a matte liquid lipstick. The color is beautiful. It's like, it has a berry undertone, so it's not like a really red, it's mostly like a berry red. I swatched it and I tried it on. It feels really comfortable for a matte lipstick, I'm not gonna lie. The color is amazing. It doesn't feel like crunchy on your lips like other and then I have 3 of the same lip liner. This is the Luxe lip liner in the shade Scorpio. This is what it looks like right here. This is really good. It glides on really well. I'm not gonna lie about that. So this eyeshadow look right here, I actually did with the palette itself. This is the palette inside. I wish they would have kind of like took out this purple and this pink, and I would have probably loved to see maybe something darker than this shade. But the fact that they gave me 3 of these palettes, 3 of the same everything, I feel like this was just an old collaboration that didn't probably do too well. I don't know, but for me personally, a mystery box is a mystery box. You're supposed to get different items throughout. But for me to get the exact same box on all 3 purchases, absolutely not. Like, I think that is shady. Personally, I feel like they should have at least said something on the website. I'm gonna put a picture right here. As you can see on the website, it says 4 mystery items. So I thought I was just gonna get regular items like that's on their website and just throw it in the box and here's your mystery. Again, we're gonna get the same items, but for me to get 3 of these palettes, 3 of the same brushes, 3 of the same lip liners, and 3 of the same liquid lipstick is kind of a letdown. And when I tell you, I was so excited to actually film this video and really, like, I was so giddy to finally open the box. And like I said, I thought I was gonna get hard boxes, but I didn't. But I was just excited to see the products that I was gonna get. I thought I was gonna get like a highlighter. Of course, I knew I was gonna get a palette. I just wanted like different products, but not 3 of the same freaking product. No, absolutely not. The palette, it is a nice palette. Like I said, it blends really well. This breast shade is amazing. I'm actually gonna swatch them really quick for you guys. So these are the shades right here. Like I said, I mean, the pigment is there. You can't deny it. You know what I'm saying? Like the shimmers, that's like the best thing of this palette are the shimmers. Like, they're blinding, they're amazing. So I'm gonna swatch the liquid lipstick, obviously. So this is the liquid lipstick, and as you can tell, it is so freaking pretty. Like, do you see that? Oh my god, it is just a beautiful, just pretty, just so pretty. Like, oh my god. And then this liner, this is the pencil. I'm barely even putting pressure on it. It's pretty, but as you can see right next to the red lipstick, it's not something I would pair up for a lip combo, but it is nice, I'm not gonna lie. So to end the video in a positive note, because at the end of the day, I wanted to do this video to show you guys, the consumer, the buyers, this specific mystery box. It is not a mystery box. Don't order more than one. Am I saying not to order it? No, this is pretty good. You get 4 items for $15 from Juvias Place. You can't go wrong. Juvias Place, one item could cost you more than $15. So I don't think that is a bad deal. I just wish they were more open with what you were actually getting. I probably was not the only one that ordered 3 boxes, 4 boxes, or I don't know how many boxes. And for you to, you know, be giddy and happy and you finally get it, and then when you see it, it's the same items. But I'm actually gonna give one of you guys, a lucky little makeup lover, one of the mystery boxes. So you're gonna get the palette, the Queen's palette. You're gonna get the liquid lipstick, you're gonna get the lip liner, and you're gonna get the highlighting brush. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is obviously be subscribed to my channel, of course. I mean, come on, leave a comment down below or whatever you want. Just say, yes, I want to win, I love your makeup, I don't love your makeup, whatever you want to say. Just be nice. Don't write nothing crazy, because then you ain't gonna be entered. And then you have to follow me on my Instagram page, which I'm gonna leave right here on the screen, and I'm gonna link my Instagram down below. So those are the 3. Subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and you have to be following me on Instagram. Actually, comment your Instagram or email or anything like that. So if I get to choose you, then I'll be able to contact you, and we could obviously talk about address, all that good stuff, right? This will be my first kind of giveaway, because like I said, it's 3 of the same items, and I already gave one to my best friend. Obviously I'm keeping one because I used it, and then I was like, why not give one to you guys, right? So I will be announcing the winner on Sunday, February 14th, Valentine's Day, which is perfect, obviously, for this Valentine's mystery box. So when this video is up will be the 11th of February. So you have 3 days to comment down below. I'm gonna choose a random makeup lover, and you're gonna win this. But you have to be subscribed. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and turn it on to all notifications, so like that when I do post, you'll be the first one to be notified and enter the giveaway. Duh. So guys, this is the end of the video. Again, don't forget to comment down below and enter that giveaway. You get a chance to win this little mystery box. But with that being said, guys, thank you for coming back. I really do appreciate every single one of you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked the video. Let me know how you feel about these items. And again, don't forget to enter the giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to this beautiful channel. You have to follow me on Instagram, which I'm gonna link down below, and you have to comment down below your Instagram or your email or whatever, so I'll be able to contact you once this giveaway is over, which I will announce the winner February 14th, this coming Sunday. But again, guys, thank you so much for coming back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.